Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Panoso Asasio. Right, today I would like to promote, we call about Pulau Karet here. This is one of the nation in Aceh, very totally famous, you know what? But when I spend this to come here or visit here, we can spend our 35 kilometers from Aceh Taming location there, and then I would like to promote the very totally awesome there. Imagine that this is look like Europe or Switzerland or United States or everywhere in Europe. You could visit here. This village we call about Pulau Paret, Pulau Paret, my friend. But this is very totally still untouched island. We call it untouched river. So if you want to visit here, don't forget, visit to Aceh or Indonesia. Indonesia very truly beautiful view here. This is make us very truly promote Aceh Falcon. So this is very awesome. Look like Grand Canyon. You know about where the this is where from United States. Very awesome. So you have to see this in your life. This is very awesome.